contest is scheduled for one fall. Approaching the ring, from parts unknown, Jessica. And her opponent, from Venice Beach, California, Sophia.
This one's one-on-one. Pinfalls, submissions, disqualifications, and countouts are in effect. Nate, what do you have on Jessica?
Look, we all know this match is to determine the #1 contender for the Divas Championship. So to answer your question, she looks focused and she looks ready to earn that spot. Watch out here, and there's a hard right hand.
Sophia. And she gets slammed to the floor. This match is being televised around the world in 18 languages in over 110 countries. Sophia, great move by Sophia. Sophia.
Sophia nails it.
Still the Gum King is what should be a phenomenal main event.
Oh, yeah. I can't wait for that. There's no telling what we're going to see in that match.
Here the cover goes Sophia. Sophia wins.
Here's your winner, Sophia.
An emotional victory here tonight.
Man, oh man, what a match.